Everyone, Fred here. So in this second video, I will walk you through the xbid AI strategies, and we will dissect specifically the spot trading one, which is enabling xbid AI, for example, to trade KALE on mainnet at the moment. So strategies in xbid AI are modular. Each strategy emits signals that feeds into the agent for LLM inference and execution. So they can pull any rows from the ingestion layer, and if you want more information about the data layer, you can check the first video. So for example, you could combine reflector or recall prices with the crypto fear and greed index or any other on-chain flow stats. So first, let's take a look at the config. The config section here is where you can define custom settings for your data ingestion and the strategy pipeline as well. So here, for example, we group a few useful settings for our spot strategies. They can be custom, anything you want. And this section basically is fed at runtime to the spot strategy and the signals as well. So now we're going to open the buy-sell.js. So what we do here is simply to write the signal itself. So you override the emit function and you define your own rules in order to emit the signal. So here, for example, we check if we're interested in this pair based on our config data, and then we pull the data from the reflector rows. We do a few sanity checks here on the oracle data, especially the freshness, to prevent emitting signals on stale data. And then here is this block is where we generate the actual signal, and this is exactly what will be fed into the LLM layer for inference. For example, the heuristic here is quite important. Then let's open the spot.js. So here we can now have our strategy run these signals, and notice that you can add as many signals as you want here as well. Then very quickly in index.js, I'm just gonna show you where the execution occurs. So we have added two actions to the execution layer. I'm talking here about the default agent. Obviously, I recommend you that you write your own agent, so you can basically start from there and then write your own strategies. So the execution layer here processes the inference, and we have added two actions, so buy asset and sell assets, and we use basically path payments to place our market orders. And that's it basically. So at runtime, this strategy is going to emit buy and sell signals, and they are routed through the multi-LLM layer that is providing the inference for us. So yeah, I wanted to show you very quickly how the live agent is trading KALE on mainnet with this signal. So I saw on the screen, it just executed one. So yes, KALE in green, ascent, sentiment whisper calm, sees the rise, ride the slope. And then you can see here, this is actually real transactions. We trade with very small amounts at the moment because we are test running, but we are going to scale this up as soon as we complete those test runs for xbid AI. So yeah, that's it for today. Make sure you catch up on the blog. I'll push an article about this as well in blog.xbid.ai. See you later.